Yo, what up, YouTube? What's going on? So I know I haven't dropped a video. It's because I'm coming off from getting sick, and I want to apologize. If you can hear, my nose is still a little stuffy, but I'm feeling so much better after this weekend. And I have three pair breakdowns to drop down for you for the beginning of the week. I have a vlog dropping for you right after that. So I have a bunch of content, a bunch of videos coming. And thank you guys so much for reaching out. A lot of you guys are always asking questions about the academy and what you can do and how to get in. Remember, link is in the description. You can either email me or DM me on Instagram, and I'll always reply. So why am I breaking down GBPUSD, USDJPY, and GBPJPY? And the reason for that is because of these market conditions right here. Ever since May 23rd, we have been on this huge, or May 11th, we have been on this huge bullish run that hasn't stopped. And that's not a problem. The only problem is when you get to a specific area like this right here, like this 600 pip bull run. Why? That's because, and the reason why is because it is untradeable. This is untradeable because there's no structure based off of here. Price is just pushing bullish and bullish and bullish. And the only time that price gave you a nice break and retest was out of session of out of GBP and JPY session, right? 8 p.m., 7 p.m. I do not trade GJ at that time. So price has just been pushing bullish after honestly showing beautiful structure, right? Higher highs and higher lows, and price just, reacting beautifully. But ever since then, we've broken up and basically have been untradeable since then, right? And that's one, finally finding support and resistance, right? I believe that we could potentially finally find support, some areas of support and resistance, and potentially get price to pull back to one of two areas, right? Either one, this H4 area right here, or which I think is most likely to happen, all the way down here back at 175.553. And the reason why is because what goes up must comes down, and vice versa. This has been such a bull run. I'm waiting for this to be corrected, right? We have 4 days last week of bullish runs with no pullbacks, no significant pullbacks for us to be able to take anything. So I believe that something has to happen. Something is going to come back down, whether it's going to be short term or long term. So what am I waiting for GBPJPY? I want to tell you guys that we should wait for a nice, huge correction that I think will come. If not, I do believe price is just going to continue to break above and hit at least this level at 183.909. If we don't pull back, we can continue this bullish run. Now, GBPUSD seems to look a little nicer, and that's because, we aren't in no man's land. The problem with GBPJPY is that we've been at all-time highs from 2016, at least in GBPJPY. We have recent price over here that we can base structure off of. We can base our areas of support and resistance off of, right? So if you look at GBPUSD, you can see that we break out of this range, this entire range over here, where we bounce off the support and demand area, come down, and then we can see price start to make higher lows, higher high, higher low, and then you have this huge bull run up. So go to the lower time frames, right? The 4 hour, the 12 hour, and you can see that we have a simple setup, right? Prices can come up, create a higher high, pulled back to create a higher low, rejected this area of support and resistance, and shot up to this nice higher high, confirming the bullish trend still intact. And what could we possibly wait to see, right? We could possibly wait to see a pullback to this H4 area before continuing to break above and hitting 1.28490, or we could break all the way down to this area of supply and demand before going to that same level I had previously mentioned. These are very nice setups. I like these setups more than GJ currently, but we're going to be, cautious because we don't trade these pairs as often, even though our strategy is the same, right? I do have success with these pairs when I do switch over, but this is a better scenario of market structure, of following the trend, right? We're in a bullish trend, creating higher highs. We want price to pull back down and long. And to end off this very quick breakdown for you guys to start the beginning of the week, you can see that USDJPY is also very nice. You can see that price breaks out of this range down here, creates a higher high, comes down low, creates a higher low, and now we pushed up, create a new higher high, right? This not only once confirms our trend, we're still in a higher high, but now we're looking for price to retest off a previous market structure area, which is this level right here, for price to continue to go up. So it looks like our area of interest on USDJPY compared to the other ones could happen a lot sooner, but we're going to be careful again because we're not really familiar with this trade. But this is a beautiful trade on USDJPY that has higher highs, and then we want to just push down to catch the next higher low to be able to buy into the next bull run, right? GU again has the same setup, and GBPJPY is going to be a little bit more, how can I say, it's going to be a little bit more we're going to be a little bit more cautious, right? Because it's just so bullish and it's hard to pretend and it's hard to see and it's hard to predict where price could go from here. So if you guys have any questions, remember, leave a comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn the post notifications on so you guys can get these breakdowns before sessions so you guys can catch these move with us. If you guys are interested in joining the Academy full Forex course with signals to help pay for the membership, please reach out to me in the description. Information is in the description, email, Instagram. Remember, we do everything and everybody's together in the group Discord. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.